Happy April Fool's Day. And you may be looking behind us and saying, wow, this doesn't look like spring. It's because it's early March, guys. We record our videos much earlier, but we do have a new product review for you guys. We've used these before, but we felt it's been a while since we have shown this, and pretty much every camper should have this. By the way, if you want to see last year's April Fool's video, we'll link it above. That was a really good one. Make sure to stay at the end of this video because we're gonna have a special April Fool's Day surprise for you.
Our subscribers have been telling us that they have been finding that they're unsubscribed. So before we start, just quickly check if you want to be subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.
And we did a whole video talking about that. We'll link it above. When you're out camping and you have full hookups, your drinking water is gonna be on a potable water hookup, meaning that it's certified, you have the ability to drink it. Now, that can be a wide range. I know when we're at home, we have underground springs and our water, like we could bottle our water. We've been to some campgrounds that it smells disgusting, the water, and it all depends on what's in that, what minerals are in there, what area you're at. Something that we always use, and it's new and improved for this year, and that's why we're going to do a review and just kind of talk about it. It's very inexpensive, but you should be carrying it on you, is a water filter. Now, the water filter that we use, that we've been using for a long time, is by Camco, and it's their TastePure water filter. Now, for 2024, they're new and improved. They kind of redesigned it. A couple of really awesome things about this filter is that it's super cheap, right? I think it's like $18.99 on Amazon, but we'll put our link down below. It's very easy to hook up. You just hook it up right here. It's super light. It's not like these big 3-stage filters. Some of them weigh, 15, 20 pounds. This weighs a couple of ounces. Super cheap, and these last about 3 months. So there's nothing difficult about this. When you need to replace, you just replace this one unit. You don't have to replace 3 different filters. So this is the box it will come in. What does this protect against? A 6-stage filter, bad taste, odor, sediment, bacteria, chlorine, and lead. That's really awesome, and it's made in the USA, right in Greensboro, North Carolina, which is pretty awesome.
There's nothing worse than bad smelling water.
No, and we've had that.
I know.
A bunch of times.
I can smell it now.
It has like that sulfur smell.
Yeah.
And it stains, and it's just
implanted in my head.
Yeah, it's kind of gross. So when you buy one of these guys, you will get the filter. You get this little bit of an extension. You see we have it hooked up to the EvoFlex hose, and this hose is pretty awesome. This is, I believe, a 20-foot hose, but it never kinks, so that's kind of awesome. And you always want to get a freshwater hose, meaning that it's made specific for drinking out of. Now, I know when I was younger, the big thing was like you just drink out of any hose, but maybe that's why I have like a little bit of brain damage, because you really shouldn't do that.
Wait, what?
Because
what are you talking?
That's what you tell me. Garden hoses, they're not made to drink from, so there could be chemicals that leach in there. These are specifically made so none of that gets into your drinking water. The other really awesome thing that you get in the box is the certification that #1's made in the USA, and then what it protects against all the patents. This is NSF ANSI 61 compliant, which means there's no harmful chemicals or materials are used in manufacturing this item. It's 42 certified, which means it removes undesirable characteristics such as water, cloudiness, taste, and odors. 53 certified, which means it removes lead, and then it's 372 certified, meaning that there's no lead components that are in here. You should also, and we've talked about this on other videos, and we actually know people that have damaged their RV plumbing using a water pressure regulator. Now, this is also a Camco regulator. And what's nice about this one, it's #1, it's lead free. This one is adjustable. You can get the cheaper ones out there that they usually be set at 45 pounds. This one comes from the factory at 45 pounds, but you can increase the PSI or you can decrease it. So I actually decreased it. I keep ours at about 42. 42 is perfect for us. If you want to crank it up some more, you can do that, but just keep in mind, anything with the PEX, you really shouldn't go over like 55, like that's getting really close. I think they're rated for like 60, so I try to keep it underneath that. Just want to read this from their website because there's a lot on here. I told you it was a 6-step filtration technology. One of those steps is called, or includes kinetic degradation fluxion. I hope I'm saying that right. It's better known as KDF, is there to control bacteria and mold growth. I do want just warn you, you want to filter all your water, but at least 1 to 2 times a season. You also want to sanitize your whole fresh water system, and we did a video about that. We'll link it above. But the reason why we're using the filtration and we're getting better with it is because we're tired of carrying water bottles, right? You carry, there's a lot of weight. Also, it's a lot of waste, right? There's this plastic water bottles, and we're feeling as we're camping more and we're getting ready to become most timers, we want to have a way to really filter out and to keep less on board.
Happy April Fool's Day from Sierra and Bowser.
The joke's on you. Just look at our cup. Our cup is a little cloudy, guys, just because we don't have a dishwasher. I'm going to show you right now, right? You want to, again, every 3 months change it out. That way it's working appropriately, but we're going to fill up. Potable water. Let's smell it. Smell it, huh? Obviously, you can't smell it out there, guys. He's going to start now.
Now he wants, let's just show this. So Bowser is inviting Sierra to play. She seems somewhat bored with him.
How's
the water?
Smell it?
Nothing.
No smell. Crystal clear, guys.
All right, hang on. Let's see.
Let's do that over again. Since now they're occupied, I'll fill it up again. So nobody says, oh, you swapped it out on the jump cut. I didn't. So how does this smell, hon?
Let's see.
I don't smell anything.
No, nothing. I don't smell anything. Thank God.
The nice thing about being out in the cold is that it is cold out, so you can try this and tell me how it tastes.
Well, my thingy's hanging out here. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It is really good.
So if you want more information or you want to purchase your Camco TastePure or the EvoFlex hose or the pressure regulator or whatever, or you want to carry water bottles with you, you can do that. But this is the way we're going now, guys. We're going to put the link down below. Again, made in the USA. We absolutely love it. In the comments below, let us know what type of water filtration do you use, or are you only bottled water people? I know some people use different types of filtrations. But let us know in the comments below, guys. And if you like videos like this, so if you stayed to the end, here is the joke, guys. Unlike last year, where we pulled a fast one on you, this year the April Fool's joke is there is no April Fool's joke. Happy April Fool's, guys.